gonna be able to essentially bring everything that I need for the few days that we're gonna be in Miami in these 2 compression bags, instead of just being able to, have everything be disorganized in the bag I'm bringing, which is from Halfday Travel. I absolutely love this bag. I've been taking it everywhere, all the trips that we've been on. So just looking forward to being back in Miami again. We're gonna be there for ABFF, and we're gonna be doing our own event, the Epic Networking Party Miami. So just gonna show you some more BTS and how I'm gonna be packing this bag. So I'm bringing 2 suits to Miami. One is a Navy seersucker, and the other one is this shawl collar Navy tuxedo that I wear to a lot of formal events. We are going to be having the Epic Networking Party Miami in Miami Beach. So I figure I will wear this tux and I'll pack it in my travel bag, zip it up, and I'll probably be wearing it with a Society of Threads shirt, a leopard pattern, to have an elevated look that is not quite formal, but it's dressed up. I usually wear this with as a full tuxedo, the tuxedo shirt, cummerbund, all that. But for this look, and considering it's a networking party, I'm gonna go for something else. So I'm just gonna be wearing these pair of sneakers, trainers from Beckett Simonin, and I'll probably be wearing loafers to the airport with the suit I'm wearing, just because I'm trying to travel light, and I have these compartments in my bag for the shoes. So I'll pack these and wear the loafers to the airport, and I'll pretty much be good to wear the sneakers throughout town when I'm wearing casual clothes, just so I'm able to travel lighter. And then my tuxedo is packed away and zipped up. Okay, so I have the first layer packed: tuxedo, sneakers, and for going to Miami, it's typically hot, but the weather does switch up. And I'm also trying to consider the fact that we'll be in different buildings, areas where there will most likely be blasting the AC. So I'm bringing 2 pairs of trousers, aside from my tuxedo, which has pants, and my day-to-day seersucker suit, which also has pants. So that's basically 4 pairs of pants, plus the shorts I'm bringing, and just trying to consider dressing for all situations. I have a trouser wide leg from Zara that is a little more dressed up, but I can also dress it down. And then a pair of jeans, black jeans, that I'll be pairing with some different shirts that I'm bringing, polos, and some resort shirts too. But I'm always looking to dress for the occasion and dress for the situation. As I'm getting ready and packing my bag, I'm also shooting a short video for marketing for the Epic Networking Party Miami, which I'm participating in. And it's easy to just hook up these lights from Harlow, formerly known as Hobo Light, to shoot a quick talking head video. And I'll probably be bringing 1 or 2 of these to Miami because I'll be doing photography and spotlighting entrepreneurs.